How's it going, folks? This is Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to pair a Samsung Icon X 2018 to your iPhone. It's a pretty simple process here. The most important thing is to make sure that your case is charged. Once it is charged, on the back of the case, what you're going to have here is a little Bluetooth button. You're going to want to go ahead and hold that, and when you do hold that, you want to make sure that you hold it for about 3 seconds, and it's going to start blinking green, red, blue, green, red, blue right there, as you can see. You're going to go to your settings in your Bluetooth, make sure your Bluetooth is on, of course, on your phone. When it is on, you're going to see your Icon X pop up with some numbers after it. Once you do see that popped up, click on it, connect, and then it will connect to your device. Once you do connect to your device, you'll go ahead and just pop this open and put these into your earbuds to make sure that you can enjoy your earbuds. And if you do have issues with this process, you may want to go ahead and just repeat the process one more time, and that will help you pair it to your phone. Alright folks, that's all I got for you guys. Just a simple pairing video for your iPhone for your Samsung Icon X 2018s. Thanks for watching.